how to find all of your skills in the Deepcode CLI. So hey guys, welcome to this quick and easy tutorial, and in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can find all of the loaded skills within your Deepcode CLI interface. So without wasting much time, let us start. The first thing that you will need to do is simply launch your Deepcode. So to do that, first launch your administrative Windows PowerShell. And once that you are done with that, type in deep code to launch the deep code. And once you are inside the deep code, simply type in the following command, that is a forward slash, and then type in skills. It will simply list all of the available skills within your deep code. So as you can see, I have these particular four skills right here: the deep code self-refer, and the plan, the skill digester, and the skill writer as well. To manage any particular skill, simply hit the enter button and you will see that the particular skill has been successfully enabled or is ready to use. So that was all for this particular video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.